What's up, team? It's Chebe naturally, and in today's video I'm excited to share my newest Amazon purchase because we always buying something from Amazon, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and do this unboxing super quick for y'all because I got other things to do. But yes, guys, so this is the box. The packaging kind of plain, but I did buy two things and I was actually a little surprised that they both fit in here. So let's look. So needless to say, they're smaller than I expected, but that usually happens. But anywho, so this is what I got. I have been on a search for different oils and ingredients to use for some DIY projects or even some standalone products to help grow my hair. So look what I got, y'all. This is a 10-in-1 Chebe oil for hair growth. If you know, then you know. But if you don't, I'm gonna tell you. Chebe is so good for hair growth. So it said it's for growth, soothes, nourishes, and strengthens. So it has Chebe powder and macadamia seed oil, coconut oil, agari leaf oil, jojoba seed oil. Yeah, you probably can't see the ingredients very well, but I will link the oil down below in my description if you want to get it. And then I also got some Chebe powder. This is like the actual powder. So this would be perfect for my DIY projects. So I like to make DIY deep conditioners, shampoos, different stuff that's gonna help me to get my hair growing and to keep it on my head. So I thought these were an awesome combination to use and pretty inexpensive. They're under like $10. So yeah, I'll put the link in my description if you want to check it out. I am an Amazon affiliate, so if you do use my link, then I may get a small commission, but it will not affect the amount that you guys pay for the products. But I just wanted to keep y'all up on game as far as what I'm doing to grow my hair, so you guys can hopefully start to see some growth for yourself, because we're trying to get them inches before the end of the year, y'all, and it's already October. What are we doing? All right, so that's it. That's all I wanted to show you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Listen, I'm Chebe, and I am out. Blessings.